Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert pattern to data point of chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to insert the chart. At first, select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Choose the recommended chart option. Now I am select the stacked column. Click the chart. Now I am select the data series or the point. Click right button, go to data series format menu. Then select the fill and the line option. Now I am select the fill. Now I am select the pattern. We can see here many pattern style. You can change the foreground color or the background color. Now I am select the foreground color white and the background color is another. Then close the window. Now we can see we insert pattern to data point of chart easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.